to Millionaire penny stocks. Some of the stocks we talk about are not going to be penny stocks, but when I refer to penny stocks, I just mean like potential pump and dumps or whatever the case might be, but something I expect to grow explosively for a short-term period of time, and I'm just here to play momentum. In no way are we sponsoring pump and dumps. In no way are we giving you advice to trade or buy or sell or anything like that, but BON. We have been in this multiple times and it's been paying crazy. So first we alerted this thing back then. Anyways, going forward, I don't know what to do. But anyways, yeah, we got into bond over here, as you can see, at 739, and we got out near 100% at 15, and also we got in again and we killed this multiple times. I mean, we've been playing bond for a long time. 1191, and then we sold it recently again, out of bond half at 1454. So this has paid a lot, and I think we still have room to go. I think we're going to take out that prior high at 1771. This is my current projection. This looks like a pennant, and if we break out, I think we had a lot higher. That's one. BON is one of the ones that I think are going to, I don't expect 100% from these current levels, but I do expect maybe around 30 to 50%. When we first played it, it was, I think it was this initial run right here that exploded from like $8 all the way up here, and we sold at literally the top. But you know, again, no one could time the top, but we just got lucky. They kept halting it and we were able to get in and out like here, and we sold near the top over here. It was because they halted it, and then all of a sudden that thing just shot up, probably because people were panic selling and people also buying, and it literally came right back down. But we were able to secure it with limit orders, so thank God for that. And then we entered again around here, I believe, and then here too. But bond, BON, this is the one. I think you're gonna get at least 30 to 40% from it minimum. Another one that I will be watching this week is SPRT. SPRT looks really good. I actually sold some calls on it, but then I also bought contracts, so I'm also good. But I wish I would have closed out my my short contracts. So I think that this has a lot more to go. It has a lot of strength, and I think, look over here, the MACD is about to cross. RSI is relatively neutral. I think we are going to take out that prior high. So I mean, from the current levels here to here, you're at least getting a 32%, but I think we go a lot higher than that after we break this $10 move. I'm pretty sure we're going to hit at least 100 to 150% on this one, probably get to around $16 or so. So SPRT definitely is a better choice than BON. BON is a Chinese stock, and I mean, if you guys know anything about Chinese stocks, they're not trustworthy. So I wouldn't even invest into it. But SPRT as a trade or as an investment, I like it myself. Again, it's not a recommendation to buy or sell, but SPRT, I think I could get in, and if anything, I'll just hold it for the long term, and I think I'll still make a decent amount of money from it. But SPRT, I think we will get above 100% from this one, whereas BON, I think we're gonna get around maybe 30 to 50% or so. So SPRT definitely more in returns. BON maybe just a quick pop, and SPRT has more backup. So SPRT definitely is the better choice out of these two. But let me know if you guys play it. Comment below on what you think about the company. Smash that like button, because that's how we get credit for what we post up, and the algorithms go cuckoo. So like the button, subscribe, and comment below what you think of the two, or what other penny stocks there are to look at, so that we can all make money together. Again, I don't get paid for this. I'm just here for you guys. So thank you and have a great day.